ABC and today we are making κουπεπια, known in English as stuffed vines. So the first step we'll be doing is cutting 2 onions. First we'll be cutting the onions. Make sure you tuck your fingers in and you have adult supervision. Once you have cut both onions, we're going to put it into the big saucepan. The next thing we'll be needing is olive oil, chopped tomatoes, tomato puree, and a wooden spoon. It's always a good idea to have a plate with you so you can put your spoon onto the plate. Now we'll be putting in the olive oil. Now we'll be cooking it and stirring it with a spoon. Now we are just stirring the onion and the olive oil while it's cooking. Make sure you always have adult supervision with you. Now we'll pour 2 cartons of chopped tomatoes into the onions. Now we're going to do the mixture. For the next part, we'll be needing 3 onions, 2 lemons, rice, and parsley. Remember to always wash your parsley. So just remember the same thing. Tuck your fingers in, adult supervision, and be safe. So when we're cutting the onion, we're going to cut it into 4 quarters so it can be shredded with the shredding machine. Now we have our shredding cutting machine. We're just going to put the quarters of the onion into the machine. Make sure you have an adult helping you with this part because we don't want any injuries. Once you have shredded the onions into tiny parts, you should definitely get an adult to help you with this part. So you need to pour the onion tiny bits into our bowl. Now we have all the shredded onions into the bowl, we're going to move on to the parsley. With the parsley, all we have to do is cut the stems off, then put them straight into the shredding machine, and then we can shred it. Finally, we have got all the parsley into the shredder machine, so we just shred one. Now, obviously, we need an adult again for this part, so make sure you get your adults. Now we are going to pour the parsley into the bowl with the onion. Now you need to lemon juice into our onion. Into our mixture and 900 grams of Now we have our rice, parsley, and onion and lemon juice. Now we just need 900 grams of lamb. Now we're going to add our 900 grams of lamb mince. So all we have to do is just pour it in, and then we're going to mix it in with our hands. After mixing all the ingredients together, we're going to get our mixture from before and add it into this mixture. Put a lot of this mixture into this bowl, but leave a little bit behind. This is what your mixture should look like after mixing them together. And we will be needing vine leaves, and we'll put them into a bowl of hot water, so it should look like this. Take a vine leaf and place it flat on your mat. Then we'll grab a handful of your mixture and put it on here, and then we'll wrap it up. This is how you wrap it. After wrapping all of our cupepias, we will be pouring the tomato juice we used before all over the cupepia. Then we'll be putting vine leaves on top. This is what it should look like after putting all the sauce on. Now we're putting the vine leaves on. Once the cupepia is covered in the vine leaves, then we have to put foil on and put it in the oven at 140. Here it is. If you want to know how to make our salad, it will be in our previous video. Yes, sir!